Dear parents and students, welcome to Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 75680777458. Class 1st, Subject EVS, Chapter 3, Lecture number 2. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school class will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस लेक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट है तो अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें. जब स्कूल ओपन हो तब सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड टीचर से डिस्कस करें. Okay, next, page number 17. Food eaten daily. FOOD, food, EATEN, eaten, DAILY, daily. THE, the, FOOD, food, THAT, that, WEV, EAT, eat, AT, at, PAR, TICULAR, particular, TIME, time, ISS, CALLED, called, MEAL, meal. The food that we eat at a particular time is called a meal. Particular time means किसी निश्चित समय पर. Okay, so lunch is a meal, breakfast is a meal, and dinner is a meal. कुल मिला के खाना योर होल प्लेट जो भी आपने बनाया उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? मील. WEV, EAT, eat, BOTH, both, BIG, big, AND, and, SMALL, small, MEALS, meals, IN, DAY, day. We eat both big and small meals in a day. So, usually when we talk about the breakfast is a small meal. ठीक है, क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट में हम मिल्क, ब्रेड, ऐसा कुछ लाइट फूड लेते हैं तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? स्मॉल मील. बट वाइल इन योर लंच को हम क्या बोलेंगे? बिग मील. बिकॉज लंच में हम फुल मील लेते हैं, चपाती, वेजिटेबल, राइस, दाल, एक्सेट्रा. THE, the, BIG, big, MEALS, meals, ARER, BREAK, break, FAST, fast. The big meals are breakfast, LUNCH, lunch, AND, DINNER, dinner. So basically the three big meals are, सबसे important three big meals कौन से हैं? ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर. THE, the, SMALL, small, MEALS, meals, ARER, SNAKES, snacks, EATN, eaten, MID, mid, MORNING, morning, AND, EARLY, early, INN, THE, the, EVENING, evening. The small meals are snacks eaten mid-morning and early in the evening. What are your small meals? कौन से होते हैं? स्नैक्स मिड मॉर्निंग. मिड मॉर्निंग कौन सा होता है? मिड मॉर्निंग हो गया आपका 6 to 10 के बीच का, जो 9 के बीच का जो होता है उसे मिड मॉर्निंग बोल सकते हैं. और अर्ली इन द इवनिंग. अर्ली इन द इवनिंग टाइमिंग कौन सा होगा? हमारा होगा 3 to 6. दिस टाइमिंग इज कॉल्ड अर्निंग. तो इन दोनों टाइमिंग में जो स्मॉल मील लेते हैं, लाइक पापड़ ले लिया, टी ले ली, बिस्किट्स ले लिए, ये सारा किसका पार्ट है? स्मॉल मील्स. WEV, HAVE, have, BREAK, break, FAST, first, INN, THE, the, MORNING, morning. We have breakfast in the morning. So when you have your breakfast, obviously in the morning. WEV, HAVE, have, LUNCH lunch, AT at, NWN noon. We have lunch at noon. At afternoon we have our lunch. Lunch कब करते हैं? Afternoon में. WEVHAVE have, DINNER dinner, AT at, NIGHT night. We have dinner at night. हम डिनर कब करते हैं? नाइट में. WEVMUST must, EAT eat, OURR MEALS meals, AT at, THE the, SAME same, TIMB time, EVERY every, DAY day. We must eat our meals at the same time every day. Means आपका suppose you are eating breakfast at 9 o'clock. Means every day. रोज़ हमें 9 बजे ही breakfast करना है. To make this your habit. WEVMUST must, EAT eat, ENOUGH enough. Enough यानी काफ़ी. TO2 BEBHELTHY healthy. We must eat enough to be healthy. हमें उतना खाना चाहिए जितना हमारा हेल्दी रखने के लिए ज़रूरी है बॉडी को. Oh, here you can see in the picture. BREAK break, FAST first, INN THE the, MORNING morning, breakfast in the morning. Second, LUNCH lunch at the noon. And third picture, DINNER dinner, AT at, NIGHT night. SOURCES sources. Sources में कहाँ से मिलता है? OF of, FWD food, ALL all, OURR FWD food, COMES comes, FROM from, PLANTS plants, AND and, ANIMALS animals. All our food comes from plants and animals. So basically from where we get our food? From plants and animals. हमें food कहाँ से मिलता है? Plants और animals से. WEVGET get, FRUIT fruit, VEGETABLES vegetables, CEREALS cereals, AND PULSES pulses, FROM from, PLANTS plants. We get fruit, vegetables, cereals and pulses from plants. From where we get fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses and from plants. Cereal means anaj, pulses mean dalein. FRUITS fruits, ARERGENERALLY generally, aksar, SWEET sweet. Fruits are generally sweet. Yes, fruit sweet होते हैं. Mango, banana, orange, grapes, these all fruit are sweet. सब मीठे होते हैं. BANANAS banana, MANGOES mangoes, APPLES apples, ORANGES oranges, AND GRAPES grapes. Grapes means angur. ARERSOME some, FRUITS fruits. So these are the some fruits, sweet fruits. Banana, mango, apples, orange and grapes are some fruits. CARROTS carrots. Carrots means gajar. TURNIPS turnips. Turnip means shaljam. POTATOES potatoes, aloo. BEANS beans. Beans means fali, gwar fali, any kind of beans. BRINGALS brinjal. Brinjal means bagan. LADYS ladies. FINGERS finger. Lady finger. What is lady finger? Bindi. SPINACH spinach. A-N-D and C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Cabbage means patta gobi. A-R-E-R-S-O-M-E, some. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. So these are the some vegetables: carrots, turnips, potato, beans, brinjal, ladyfingers, spinach and cabbage. ये सब क्या है? Vegetables है. Next, here you can see in the pictures. What is this? इन सबको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Cereals होते हैं ये सारे. Cereals and pulses. फर्स्ट टू जो है राइस एंड व्हीट, इन्हें हम सीरियल बोलते हैं, अनाज. एंड सेकेंड टू दाल, मसूर दाल एंड तुअर दाल. SEREALS, सीरियल्स. CEREALS, cereals. SUCH, such. ASS, RICE, rice. AND WHEAT, wheat. AND PULSES, pulses. SUCH, such. ASS TOOR, tour. DAL, dal. AND MASUR, masur. DAL, dal. ARER SEEDS, seeds. OF PLANTS, plants. Cereals such as rice and wheat. तो राइस और व्हीट क्या है? सीरियल है. एंड पल्सेस सच एज तूर दाल एंड मसूर दाल. सो जितनी भी दाल है उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? पल्सेस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, WEVGET, get. FOOD, food. FROM, from. ANIMALS, animals. We get food from animals. From where we get food? From animals. 2. MILK, milk. EGGS, eggs. FISH, fish. AND MEAT, meat. ARER OBTA obtain. Obtain means प्राप्त करना. FROM, from. ANIMALS, animals. We get food from animals too, means हमें food animals से भी मिलता है. Milk, egg, fish and meat. From where we get these food? We get these food from animals. Okay, your today's homework, class first, subject EVS, chapter number 3, lecture number 2. Homework. Word meaning: PARTICULAR, particular means निश्चित समय. SNACKS, snacks. Snacks means नाश्ता. BEANS, beans. Beans means फलियाँ, ग्वार फली. TURNIP, turnip. Turnip means शलजम. Send your daily homework before 9 o'clock every day in good handwriting on this WhatsApp number 7568077458. डेली 9 बजे से पहले आपको अपना होमवर्क रफ नोट में गुड हैंडराइटिंग में करके स्कूल के WhatsApp नंबर 7568077458 पर सेंड करना है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.